Looking for low maintenance living? Let's check out this 4-bedroom townhome with an attached garage.
First is the foyer with a walk-in closet and a powder room.
The open concept living area is centered around the kitchen's granite-topped island.
The upper level has the home's main bathroom and 3 bedrooms.
Including the primary with a large walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom.
The lower level has a spacious family room, 4th bedroom, and another full bathroom.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 38 Mia Circle,
visit frederictonhomes.com.